Have you ever wondered what the keto diet is all about? Well, let's dive in and explore. The ketogenic diet, often shortened to the keto diet, is based on a simple principle: low carbohydrates and high fats. The goal is to drastically cut down your carb intake and replace it with fats. Why, you ask? The answer lies in a metabolic state called ketosis. When you limit your carb intake, your body enters ketosis, turning into a fat-burning machine. It's like switching your body's fuel source from regular gasoline or glucose from carbs to premium or fats. During this process, the liver starts producing small fuel molecules known as ketones, which act as an alternative energy source when glucose is scarce. So in essence, ketosis is your body's way of ensuring you keep going even when carbs are low. So the keto diet is all about swapping carbs with fats to fuel your body. Did you know there are different types of keto diets? Yes, it's not a one-size-fits-all. The ketogenic diet comes in several versions, each with a unique ratio of fat, protein, and carbs. The standard ketogenic diet, or SKD for short, is the most common type. It's typically high in fats with moderate protein and very low carbs. Then there's the cyclical ketogenic diet, often referred to as CKD. This diet involves periods of higher carb refeeds, such as 5 ketogenic days followed by 2 high-carb days. Next, we have the targeted ketogenic diet, or TKD. This diet allows you to add carbs around workouts, providing a burst of energy when needed most. Finally, we have the high-protein ketogenic diet, which is similar to the standard version, but includes more protein. Each of these diets has its own unique benefits and drawbacks, so it's important to choose the one that fits your lifestyle and goals best. The most recommended and researched version is the standard ketogenic diet. Curious about what you can eat on a keto diet? Navigating the dietary do's and don'ts of keto can seem daunting, but let's break it down. For starters, you'll want to fill your plate with foods high in healthy fats and low in carbs. This includes meats like steak and poultry, fatty fish such as salmon and tuna, and eggs. Don't forget to add dairy products like cheese and load up on nuts and seeds for a crunchy snack. Healthy oils, avocados, and low-carb veggies are also your friends. On the other hand, there are a few things to avoid. Wave goodbye to sugary foods, grains or starches, and most fruits. Beans or legumes, root vegetables and tubers, low-fat or diet products, certain condiments or sauces, unhealthy fats and alcohol are all on the no list. Remember, keto is not about starving yourself, but choosing the right types of food. Wondering about the benefits and potential side effects of the keto diet? Well, let's dive right in. First, let's talk about the benefits. One of the most touted benefits of the keto diet is weight loss. By shifting your body's main fuel source from carbohydrates to fats, the body becomes incredibly efficient at burning fat. This efficiency often results in significant weight loss, which is a major draw for many people. Moreover, the keto diet isn't just about shedding pounds. It's been linked to numerous health advantages. For instance, it's been used to treat neurological conditions like epilepsy. Some research also suggests it might have benefits against other health conditions such as diabetes, cancer, and Alzheimer's disease. However, it's important to remember that more research is needed to fully understand these potential benefits. Now let's shift gears and talk about potential side effects. Like any significant change to your diet, the keto diet can come with some initial side effects, often referred to as the keto flu. These symptoms can include fatigue, headache, irritability, difficulty focusing, lack of motivation, dizziness, and stomach discomfort. While these symptoms can be disconcerting, they usually pass after a few days as your body adapts to its new fuel source. Also, due to the significant reduction in carbohydrate intake, you might experience significant water weight loss. This can lead to dehydration if not properly managed. Therefore, staying hydrated and replenishing electrolytes is crucial when on the keto diet. Lastly, it's important to remember that everyone's body is unique and may respond differently to such a drastic dietary change. Some people may experience more severe side effects, while others may have none at all. Therefore, it's always recommended to consult with a healthcare professional before starting the keto diet, especially if you have pre-existing health conditions. While the keto diet offers several benefits, it's crucial to be aware of possible side effects, especially when starting out. Remember, it's not just about the diet, it's about creating a healthier lifestyle that works for you. Thinking about starting a keto diet? Here are a few things to consider. First and foremost, always seek medical supervision. The keto diet is a significant change to your usual eating patterns. If you have any pre-existing conditions or are on medication, these could interact with the diet in ways you might not expect. Your healthcare provider can guide you through these possibilities and ensure you're making the safest decision for your health. Hydration is another crucial aspect to consider when starting a keto diet. When you cut down on carbs, your body loses a lot of water weight. This might sound like a good thing, and it can be, but it also means your body is losing water it might need. To counteract this, remember to drink plenty of fluids. This will help you stay hydrated and keep your body functioning at its best. In addition to hydration, keeping up with your electrolytes is essential. Electrolytes are minerals that help your body perform many of its vital functions, such as maintaining your heartbeat and aiding in muscle contractions. When starting a keto diet, you might experience a drop in electrolytes, leading to symptoms such as fatigue or dizziness. Consuming foods high in electrolytes or taking electrolyte supplements can help mitigate these symptoms. While the keto diet has many potential benefits, it's not for everyone. Certain individuals should avoid the diet altogether. These include people with conditions such as pancreatitis, liver failure, or disorders of fat metabolism. It's also not recommended for individuals with certain metabolic disorders, or for those who are pregnant or breastfeeding. Again, your healthcare provider can provide guidance on whether the keto diet is suitable for you. Remember, the keto diet is not a quick fix, but a lifestyle change. It's about more than just losing weight. It's about improving your overall health. As with any lifestyle change, it's important to approach it with care and consideration. Always consult with your healthcare provider before starting a new diet plan.